Kindly watch the first video on Ayamase prep to be able to understand on how the oil was bleached. I have the local beans, followed by the bowl of pepper. I'm adding blended Shawa, about 2 tablespoons, and 2 tablespoons of crayfish as well. I need to add minced herb and teaspoon of curry. I need to add this crayfish maggi. Alhamdulillah, the pepper has finished frying, so I need to start adding the fish. I'm going to be adding 6 of this mackerel based on request, so I need to drain out the oil. For end result on this assorted fish ayamase, kindly watch my next video.